Cosmology and Religion, Bridging Science and Spirituality. Title: Cosmology and Religion, Bridging Science and Spirituality. Introduction. In the quest to understand the mysteries of the universe, two prominent paths have emerged: science and spirituality. However, a growing number of scientists and spiritual seekers are now exploring the common ground between these seemingly disparate realms. This article aims to explore the intriguing relationship between cosmology and religion, and how they can mutually benefit and enrich one another. Cosmology, the scientific exploration of the universe. Cosmology delves into the fundamental questions that have fascinated humanity for centuries. How did the universe begin? How does it evolve? What is its ultimate fate? By employing the scientific method, cosmologists have made remarkable progress in unraveling the mysteries of our existence. Through observations, theoretical models, and rigorous analysis, scientists have provided a compelling narrative of the universe's birth, known as the Big Bang Theory. This scientific understanding has transformed our perception of reality and enabled us to grasp the enormity and complexity of the cosmos. Religion, the spiritual journey to understand the divine. Religion, on the other hand, seeks to address the existential questions concerning our purpose and the nature of the divine. Through rituals, scriptures, and personal experiences, religious tradition offer guidance, meaning, and a moral compass to individuals seeking spiritual fulfillment. While religious perspectives on cosmology often rely on sacred texts and divine revelation, they nonetheless aim to address the same existential questions that cosmology seeks to answer. Religion Pro Vita is a narrative infused with spiritual and moral implications, offering solace, purpose, and ethical frameworks to its followers. Bridging Science and Spirituality. In recent decades, a growing chorus of voices in both science and religion has emphasized the importance of seeking harmony between the two, rather than treating them as separate and conflicting as a more integrated approach that combines insights from both fields offers the potential for profound insights and understanding. One area of convergence lies in the concept of awe and wonder. Both cosmology and spirituality are driven by a deep yearning to comprehend the grandeur and vastness of the universe. The sense of awe evoked by contemplating the cosmos can elicit spiritual experiences and transform our perspectives. Scientific inquiry and spiritual exploration intersect in their shared goal of inspiring awe, providing a common ground for dialogue and mutual enrichment. Moreover, cosmology and religion share a profound interest in the origin of the universe. While science aims to decipher the physical mechanisms behind the Big Bang, religion often grapples with broader questions about the intentions and purpose of a higher power behind creation. Rather than viewing these perspectives as inherently contradictory, the two can be seen as complementary facets of a holistic understanding of the universe. The scientific study of cosmology can inform religious discussions about creation, while religious insights can offer philosophical and ethical frameworks to lead scientific endeavors. Interdisciplinary dialogue and collaboration. To truly bridge science and spirituality, interdisciplinary dialogue and collaboration are paramount. Scientists must engage with religious thinkers, scholars, and practitioners to glean insights from the rich spiritual traditions that have contemplated existence for millennia. Conversely, religious communities ought to embrace scientific discoveries and engage in a conscientious dialogue that appreciates the vast knowledge gained through scientific inquiry. By fostering mutual respect and understanding, such collaboration can shed light on the ethical implications of scientific advancements and the role of spirituality in the human experience. As we delve deeper into the relationship between cosmology and religion, it becomes evident that these two areas of knowledge can complement and enrich each other. While cosmology provides scientific explanations for the origins and workings of the universe, religion brings spiritual and moral dimensions to our understanding of existence. The study of cosmology allows us to explore the fundamental questions about the origins and evolution of the universe. Through the use of the scientific method, observations, and theoretical models, scientists have made significant strides in unraveling the mysteries surrounding these profound topics. The Big Bang Theory, for example, offers a comprehensive explanation for how the universe began and how it has evolved over billions of years. This scientific understanding has revolutionized our perception of reality, providing us with a deeper appreciation for the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Religion, on the other hand, approaches the same existential questions from a spiritual and moral perspective. Religious traditions, with their rituals, scriptures, and personal experiences, offer individuals a framework for understanding their purpose and the nature of the divine. While religious perspectives on cosmology often draw on sacred texts and divine revelation, they aim to address the same fundamental questions that cosmology seeks to answer. Religion provides a narrative that is infused with spiritual and moral implications, offering solace, purpose, and ethical guidelines to those seeking spiritual fulfillment. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the need to bridge the gap between science and spirituality. Many scientists and spiritual seekers advocate for an integrated approach that combines insights from both fields. By viewing science and religion as complementary facets of knowledge, we open ourselves up to deeper insights and a more holistic understanding of the universe. One area where science and spirituality converge is in the experience of awe and wonder. Both cosmology and spirituality are driven by a profound yearning to comprehend the grandeur and vastness of the universe. The sense of awe that arises from contemplating the cosmos can evoke spiritual experiences and transform our perspectives. Scientific inquiry and spiritual exploration intersect in their shared goal of inspiring awe, providing a common ground for dialogue and mutual enrichment. Furthermore, cosmology and religion share a deep interest in the origin of the universe. While science seeks to unravel the physical mechanisms behind the Big Bang, religion often grapples with broader questions about the intentions and purpose of a higher power behind creation. Rather than seeing these perspectives as conflicting, they can be seen as complementary aspects of a holistic understanding of the universe. The scientific study of cosmology can inform religious discussions about creation, while religious insights can offer philosophical and ethical frameworks to guide scientific endeavors. To truly bridge science and spirituality, interdisciplinary dialogue and collaboration are crucial. Scientists must engage with religious thinkers, scholars, and practitioners to draw insights from rich spiritual traditions that have contemplated existence for millennia. Conversely, religious communities should embrace scientific discoveries and foster a dialogue that appreciates the vast knowledge gained through scientific inquiry. Through such collaboration, we can shed light on the ethical implications of scientific advancements and the role of spirituality in the human experience. The relationship between cosmology and religion is a fascinating and complex one. While cosmology seeks to understand the universe through scientific methods, religion offers spiritual and moral guidance. However, there is growing recognition that these seemingly separate realms can complement and enrich each other. Cosmology explores fundamental questions about the universe's origin, evolution, and ultimate fate. Scientists have made remarkable progress in unraveling these mysteries through observations, theoretical models, and rigorous analysis. The Big Bang Theory, in particular, has transformed our understanding of reality and the vastness of the cosmos. Religion, on the other hand, addresses existential questions about our purpose and the nature of the divine. It offers guidance, meaning, and moral frameworks through rituals, scriptures, and persona. Experiences. While religious perspectives often rely on sacred texts and divine revelation, they aim to answer the same questions that cosmology seeks to understand. Religion provides a narrative T.